Very warm good morning to all of you. So Ms. Shaimala has given a wonderful introduction about me. You know why I selected this topic? November is the month of cancer awareness especially. So I thought it would be good to say something about the cancer in this month. So the cancer, the word is not familiar before. Nowadays in our society, day by day we are hearing about somebody is having cancer. So this term is very familiar with us. So I would like to have a small introduction about what is cancer and how it cases, what is the complication of cancer, and general topic I would like to cover. So let us know the facts to be known about cancer. What is cancer? So cancer is a large number of diseases characterized by uncontrolled growth or spread of abnormal cells. Normally what happens now? Our cell is divided into means two identical cells. So it having some function. So after certain period it dies. But normally it is divided into the normal cell. But in cancer cell what happens now? Due to some carcinogens. Carcinogens are mainly the cancer causing agents. So when with carcinogens, the normal cell will divided into which affects the abnormal cancer cell. See this is uncontrollably. This is like multiply very frequently. There is no control for this cell multiplication. That happens basically in the cancer. So just we have to see some other words, some medical terms related to the cancer. So neoplasm, new growth of tissue that serves no physiological function. And obviously this tumor is a clumping of neoplasmic cells. A group of cells is called as tumor, which serves no function. And there are two types of cancers are there, mainly malignant and benign. Malignant is the dangerous one and benign is non-cancerous. Only the tumor is happening over there. It is not dangerous. It is not spreading to other part of the body. It remains in one part. So it is not that much dangerous. According to means the severity of diseases, sometimes doctors take treatment, sometimes not treatment at all. But some cases the tumor need to be have some surgical procedure and need to be cut off. But when in case of malignant, no, it is highly dangerous. So this is spreadable cancer actually. Because it is multiple uncontrollable with a controllable rate, because from one side it goes to another side. Actually there are 4 stages of cancers are there. So when the doctors basically this is the 3rd stage or 2nd stage or 4th stage. So what is the stage means? Initially when in the case of malignant, it's a 0 stage means it is only the initial cancer is detected. It is not affected to the other part of the body. And it is the starting stage. The stage 1 is it is affected to the nearby bloodstream, or it affected to the lymphatic system. And the stage 2 it will affect to the nearby not organ but not to that beyond. The stage 4 is it is affected to the some organs also. This is the last stage, because if you detected this cancer very early stage, it is very easy to means control our cancer. As long as our breathing, we have a control to overcome the cancer cells. And so what is the risk for cancer? So the lifetime risk will be the probability that an individual over the course of lifetime will develop cancer or die from it, and relative risk measure of the strength of the relationship between risk factors and particularly in cancer. Now it comes to smoking. See, you can see the numbers: 30% of all cancer death and 87% of lung cancer death. So which is a huge number. So smoking is one of the main cause of cancer. Obviously the obesity, 50% of higher risk for breast cancer in postmenopausal women and 40% higher risk in colon cancer for men. So how this obesity affects, you see how obesity affects our cancer. And some factors believed to be contribute to global case of cancer. You can see 30% of smoking and alcohol use, and 30 to 35% is unbalanced diet, and 18 to 20% because of hormones, and 18 to 20% due to the chronic infections like HIV, human papillomavirus, lymphoma, and others. See, you know how many types of cancer do you think there are? Any guess?
22.
More than 200 types of cancer are there. And these are the main types of cancer. The pink one affects to the females, and the blue for the males. Mainly for the breast cancer, you can see more females having more, and lung cancer 50-50. Then comes to prostate, bowel, malignant myeloma, non-Hodgkin's, bladder, kidney, or esophagus. See, these are the main types of cancer seen normally. And which cases of cancer can be controlled? Here we have a graph. This is more controllable, and here in this side cases, more cases. Like the tobacco you can control. Diet, weight, activity you can have a control on tobacco using diet. You can control weight, you can control activity, you can control alcohol consumption, you can control. But in this side, inherited genes you cannot control, and radiation you cannot control the radiation, and infections also there are slight control, and obviously UV also. Global problem of cancer. Total cancer 12 million, mortality 7.6 million. Developed countries, you can see the rate of 5.4 million, and in developing countries 6.7 million. So this is a higher number. And these are the type of cancer: carcinomas, which affects normally to the breast fat cells, etc. Sarcomas and lymphomas, leukemia. These are the leukemia. You see the blood cancer. Most of them we heard about is having blood cancer. So what happens to the blood cancer? No, normally our blood is having RBC and red blood cells, and also the blood is having WBC, white blood cells, and platelets. So the RBC, which carries the oxygenated blood, and WBC is the white blood cell. It fight against the infections. Normally it affects to the bone marrow. So there is a high number of white blood cells generated in our blood. So what happens now? These white blood cells, it will affects. It won't do any proper function. So gradually it will leads to the leukemia. So these are the one of the main cancer, and we do have. So who can get cancer? Young, old, man, woman, children, anybody can get cancer. There is no. And what causes cancer? These are some carcinogens, which cancer causing agents, mainly heredity, immunity, chemical, physical, viral, bacterial, and lifestyle. Here, heredity, you cannot do anything. If you it's through by genes only. It's almost 15% of all types of cancer is by heredity. And let's see, these are types of heredity. And immunity, HIV, AIDS, immunosuppression, and some virus like I told you, like hepatitis B, HPV, and human T cells. Also, non-infected women, the cancer risk are low, but some infected with some human papilloma virus. See the graph. The cancer rate is very more, especially, and H. pylori, Helicobacterial pylori, one of the case of cancer. And if you don't treat properly, it will land up with the cancer only. And chemical, use of alcohol, asbestos, wood, dust, rubber, plastic, dyes, tar, and tobacco. These are the some carcinogenic agents. But this one you can have a control over this. And smoking, single biggest case of cancer, 20 to 40% smokers die in the middle age, 9 out of 10 life cases, and no cases cancer in 1950. See, smoking and alcohol increase the rate of cancer. See, this is the alcoholic drink with only with cigarette, but both together put together the risk is high, and industrial pollution and physical cases also one of the risk. Obesity, here you can have a control. You should have a proper diet, proper exercise, and eat less, work more. That is the number one policy. If at all, if you are having more crave also, you have to be eat very less, and you can control. You can have you can have a good life if you are not obese. And lifestyle, age, occupation, that is also a diagnosis. Early you can diagnose by this cancer can be diagnosed clinical history, normal diagnosis, procedural scan, X-rays, blood test, and biopsy. Biopsy is means it's a procedure, and detecting of cancer you can go for MRI, CAT, prostatic ultrasound, regular self exams and checkups. So just I am summarizing this point. Cancer is a disease of diffusion of growth spread. It has a number of cases and then prevalent. And breast cancer, one of the other cases. A lot of testicular cancer is there, estimated tobacco related warning, screening of cancer. See, other factors promoting, I already discussed this aging and family history. Some symptoms you can, I just, hoarseness of voice and difficulty in swallowing, change in size and appearance of mole or wart. Some, this also one was abnormal bleeding, change in bowel or bladder habit. And some myths also I would like to, cancer is a death sentence, not a gift sentence. If you have a proper treatment, you can control the cancer. Pain is in an early signs of cancer. It's not an early signs of cancer. If you ignore the symptoms, they will go away. No. And cancer is not a communicable disease. Okay. And all cancers are hereditary. No. Cancer prevention, cancer prevalent, how you can help yourself. Do not use tobacco. Follow a healthy diet. And 10 rules to avoid cancer: don't smoke. The second one, don't smoke. Third one is also don't smoke. Avoid exposure to other carcinogen. Enjoy healthy diet, moderate calories, be physically active, and obesity. Okay. Thank you.